Hi.
Hi there.
Today we're continuing the demonstration of the HL4, the nice HOTLOGIC that we could cook 4 different meals in at the perfect temperature, just like the HOTLOGIC minis that we use a lot. And we're going to cook our Sunday dinner in it, right?
Right, because we have 4 shelves to work with here. We can fill 4 different items in here and cook them all at once. So that's why we're going to show you some variety that we can put together real quick and get them in the oven, and at the end of the day we can have our meal.
We could leave them in there all day. We could put them in overnight, wake up to a breakfast, which we did. I used them camping already, the other HOTLOGICs. But today we're going to have stuffed shells and meatballs for Sunday dinner.
We have some frozen stuffed shells and frozen meatballs. We're going to add sauce and mozzarella cheese to make 2 different dishes.
There's a switch in the back. That's the only switch. There's no dials, no temperature settings, no timers. There's a switch in the back. You turn it on, and it goes through its cycle. You'll see red, blue. Down here it says blue. It says not ready. And it says red, ready. Okay, so you'll see it. I'll show you closer maybe. If these look like they're blinking in the camera, they're not. They're a nice steady blue below. But sometimes the digital camera makes it look like it's blinking. But it looks really nice. Doesn't it look nice? And it's transparent. Look at it.
Yeah.
So nice.
It's really attractive thing to sit on your counter.
And you can stack 2 of these up too. They have feet that fit in the grooves here, because they're good for break rooms and cafeterias at work, things like that.
All right, we're going to start by using a 6-cup Pyrex dish. This with the lid fits right into one of those shelves. So this is also the 6-cup Pyrex dish that we use in the mini when we make our meals. So Rick, why don't you put the meatballs in here?
I can do that. See how easy it is? Or you can take a frozen food in a cardboard box, open it up, put that plastic in there. Don't pierce the top or anything. There's so many things we can do with this. Foil, fast food boxes.
There's the easy way. I think you can pull this down and we can use.
Easy opening enough for Grandpa.
Well, we want to be able to save the rest of them. Okay.
Help me.
See, this is a easy peel.
An adventure in dining.
Oh.
From your comments yesterday, we know it is a bit pricey, but there's a good reason for that. And also, if you're a boss or a manager, or tell your boss to buy these for the cafeteria. They're cleaner than the microwave. You come in the morning, say you start at 7, you put your meal in there. They have one that's 8 too, double wide. Okay. Or you can stack these on top. Put your meal in. Come at lunchtime, 12 o'clock, it's ready. It's perfect. It won't burn. It won't overcook. If you get a late lunch, 2, 3 o'clock, it's still going to be perfect.
Well, while we're on the subject of the cost, just think, if you're a family that has 4 people, and one comes home from work at 4 o'clock, and one goes to sports at 5, and one goes to band camp at 3, and then another one comes home later, you're saving 4 meals to be done at one time. And if you are a family that has that going on, a lot of times you'd go to fast food or get something more expensive than what you could make at home for a few dollars. And if you did that 15 times, you'd pay for this. I mean, families do this. I know it's because everybody has different things to do.
Just say you start your meals, put them in at 6 a.m. All right. People come home different times, lunchtime, breakfast, and whatever. And it stays. One guy takes one out, it stays.
Yeah. So when you think about the cost, you could actually save money by not spending more on fast food, or also you can make more healthy food and things that really everybody likes to taste.
We can't wait till the next holiday, and we have a lot of people over. We're gonna load that up. It's nice, like a buffet kind of thing.
And a business that has a small break room can offer this for the people to come and put their lunch in at
offices, teacher's lounge.
Right.
You're a teacher.
Okay, let's get this going.
Okay. Now the shelves are red, which says ready. So you let it go through its process for 2 minutes. Red means ready. I'm gonna make 1 layer of meatballs.
Well, these are pre-cooked meatballs.
Frozen.
They're frozen. You can hear them hitting. And these are pre-stuffed shells. They're frozen too.
Free?
Pre-stuffed. See, they're hard as a rock.
Set free. Okay, load them up.
So we're gonna fill this dish. Rick and I will share these. The other thing you could do at this time is you could make separate meals. We can use these plastic serving dishes. We could fill one with stuffed shells and one with meatballs. If Rick and I were not going to eat at the same time, we might choose that.
How about putting nachos on one side and putting cheese on the other side?
Yeah, you could
warm
do
them
that.
up. That would be good for
Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm feeling movie time coming tonight. Okay, here I have 8 stuffed shells. I'm just going to pour a little sauce over that.
There's thousands of recipes. We have hundreds of recipes ourselves, right?
Oh yeah. This is just a demonstration to show you a quick way to... Should I douse yours in some sauce?
Sure. We could also put leftover pizza in there wrapped in foil. Anything, right?
Yeah.
It's unlimited.
Now if you'd like a lot of sauce and you want to dip some French bread or something in later, Italian bread rather, we're just going to use up the rest of the sauce.
It's waiting. It's ready. Load it up. And we're going to put them in there. And like I said, we can leave them in for hours, especially since these meatballs are frozen. They're going to be done in 2 or 3 hours, or maybe less.
Right.
But like something that's thawed out, it would probably take 30, 40 minutes.
Here we have...
Again, it's going to stay the perfect temperature all day. Don't worry about it's going to burn or anything.
You want to top this all off with some mozzarella cheese?
Yeah. And this, I did look at the instructions. Remember when I opened it yesterday, I said, I don't need instructions. But I did look at it, and there's some helpful things in here. They have the HOTLOGIC 4 and HOTLOGIC 8. And it says right here, proud to be made in Michigan. Can you imagine that? I love it.
I thought a nice side dish would be broccoli. Like that?
What do you want, the cheese on the meatballs or the
Oh,
shells?
on both. Just lightly sprinkle it.
On both?
I have a bag of frozen broccoli here. And it's still frozen. That doesn't matter. It'll cook, right?
Yeah.
So I'm putting it in by the handfuls into this dish that I showed you.
Hope you can see this all right. We're excited.
Yeah, we're excited.
We're going to put these in and go about our day, and we're going to eat them probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah.
And you could have had them prepped ahead of time, too. I have my meal for tomorrow. This is leftovers from last night. Pork chop and mashed potatoes. Tomorrow morning, I'll put that in there. Take my nap for work and all that. And this will be my supper. This is delicious. Oh, and you got dessert here. What is this?
Oh, wait.
I'm getting ahead of myself.
That's actually a sweet potato casserole. I wanted to show that to you because it has a film on top that's attached. When you put something like this into the HOTLOGIC shelf, you just leave the film on top.
Don't poke it. Don't do nothing.
Take it apart.
And it's great. It's perfect. It uses patented SmartShelf technology. You'll never find nothing like this. SmartShelf. Soup!
I'm going to use a little Rick's favorite soup, cream of mushroom.
Look, I can put mine in because I'm done, see? Couldn't I? I'm getting ahead of myself, I know.
Let's just get them set up. All right, I'm going to add some of this cream of mushroom soup to the top of the broccoli. And you know, you don't have to fuss with it. It's going to melt as the broccoli cooks, and it's going to spread the soup out on the rest of the broccoli. So we're just going to fill this up. That's going to add a lot of good flavor here.
3 meals for 3 shelves. We have 4 shelves. Surprise me with the 4th.
Oh.
What's it going to be? That looks good right there.
Okay.
That looks good.
I'm going to put the lid on that also. Let's see, over here I have a loaf of dessert bread that I made on a previous day. This
Not
is
fruitcake, is it?
no, it's actually gingerbread. And we're going to have that for dessert, but it's still frozen.
Okay.
And I'm just going to rewrap it here. Just wanted to show everybody what it looks like. Seal it up. Not going anywhere.
And that's going to be.
And this is going to be baked just like it's fresh.
Wonderful smell like bread baking.
Nobody smells good, just the gingerbread. All right, let's get the first one in.
On the bottom?
That's the shells.
I love it. All right. Continue. I'm watching the shelf. The color's going to change. Go ahead.
All right, I'm going to put this one here. this is the meatballs.
Oh.
Now, here we have the broccoli, and these dishes we also are going to seal them up.
You see now the bottom shelf turns blue, if you can see it. And again, it's not blinking in person. It's only blinking to the digital camera. So blue means not ready.
Broccoli.
It senses it. It knows that it's cold and it needs to be cooked. And then that one turned blue just now, see?
Okay.
Next, this one will turn blue. I hope you can see it. Right now it's red.
And this one's still red. I'm going to put the gingerbread.
Ah. Look. Remember, they're not blinking in person, but I know they're blinking on the camera. This is, let's close the door. This is SmartShelf Technology. Oh, that one turned blue. It's sensing that it needs to be cooked. Or warmed up or whatever, but we cooked them. There we go, all four.
All blue.
Now, just like the old set it and forget it, you just forget it, but look at them in there. Can you see them? They're amazing. So, yeah, I see they're blinking in the camera, but they're not blinking with my eye. Doesn't that look nice? Imagine company coming over and you got all their meals in there, or your family, they wake up in the morning, you know, everybody got their own shelf or whatever.
Yeah, and if you just spend a few minutes preparing, getting all your stuff ready, look how quick you can put that together.
Mm-hmm. I'll put a link down below in the video description for this. And when you get there, at the HOTLOGIC website, click on Shop, then click on Appliances, and you'll see they have a 4-shelf and an 8-shelf. They even have one where the doors open by themselves, completely touch-free. That's what makes it nice and clean and good for your workplace or your home. Tell your boss. Say you want to buy something, send them this video. Or if you're a boss, buy a couple of these and put them in the cafeteria. They're going to love them.
You're going to be a hero.
Mm-hmm. Or if you're in a garage, mechanics would love this. Teacher's lounge, like I said, nurses, doctors, golf pros. All right, check the link out. Oh, we're going to come back, right?
You show them when it's finished?
Yeah, we're going to show you when they're finished. It's going to be a nice, delicious meal. What are we going to do for 2 or 3 hours?
We have a lot to do
find
today.
Something to do. I'm not going outside. It's 25 degrees. Isn't it great, though?
Yeah. I'm looking forward to it.
I need a snack while I'm waiting. So now you see they're all blue, and when they're red, they'll let you know they're ready, and it's time to eat. Red for ready. But even though it turns red, you can still wait till you're hungry to eat it. SmartShelf, love it. Here we are. It's been 2.5 hours. And what's that on top? Bread? I forget.
That's gingerbread.
Gingerbread. That was done in 1 hour, but I left it in there just to show you that you can leave it in there. Plus I wanted to keep it warm. Now we're gonna look at it, all right? All the shelves turned red. Can you see the red lights there? Okay. It's time to eat. What do you want to do? Take one out at a time? You want to look at them?
Okay.
Want to taste them?
Yeah.
I do too.
All right, what should I start with?
Oh, the bread is easy. See?
Okay.
That's not too hot. I mean, it's not going to burn me like the glass might.
It's pretty hot.
Oh, you're going to open it.
Oh, should I take it to the table?
Go ahead. Yeah, open it up.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Yeah, you smell it now. It smells like a bakery.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine just keeping some rolls in there warmed up all day. That would be good, right?
Oh my goodness. Let me just see.
Oh, here comes the cutting board.
I just want to slice it and show you how nice. Oh my gosh. Very hot. Ooh, very hot. And we can cut nice slices off of this. Look how tender. Whoa. Beautiful.
Just like it was just made.
Yes. We'll have a sampling over at the table.
Yeah, I'm ready. I got that. Next.
Meatballs. Here we go.
Whatever comes out next. Is that the meatballs?
Yes, this is the meatballs.
Boy, I really smell that pumpkin thing or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread. Oh, look at the steam coming off.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that.
I'm ready.
The
Okay.
cheese is melted.
All right.
Looks beautiful. Let's
Burn
set
yourself.
that on the table.
Next.
Next, we'll take broccoli.
Oh, I forgot.
Yep, we have the broccoli.
Oh, that could have been some nice cheese too, couldn't it have been?
Yeah, but it's got the nice mushroom soup on there.
Yeah, we could put them crunchy onion things on there too if we'd liked.
Let's
Right?
take that to the table.
And last but not least is stuffed shells. Right?
Yes. Stuffed shells.
Made with hardly any effort at all.
Right, and these were made from frozen.
Yeah.
Remember that. Oh, look at the steam. Oh.
All right, come on. Come over to the table.
All right.
We gotta taste these. Whoa, here we go.
We're not going to sit here and eat our whole meal
No.
with you, but we want to taste it.
Yeah, I want to sample meatball and a stuffed shell just to show you that it's delicious. When you go to the website, on your way there to find the HL4, check out the minis. These are great price. Use my discount code. That's good for your office, cafeteria, home, kitchen, garage, bedroom.
May I serve
I want
you?
one in the bedroom. Yeah.
Okay.
Feed me.
All right.
Look at that.
Just a taste of each, right?
Mm-hmm. Just a quick demonstration. We would eat the whole meal with you, but you know we eat with you every Friday.
Yeah.
If you didn't know, subscribe and stop back.
A little broccoli for you,
this.
sir.
Yeah, look at it.
That nice creamy soup on top.
Should have had the close-ups. Oh.
Doesn't want to come out. That looks nice. I'll take one and you take one.
Oh, just as a sample, see?
Yeah, just a sample.
We got everything now except the bread? All right, let me take some meatball.
Okay. It's hard to believe that was frozen just a few hours ago.
What did we do in that time? You were doing things, but I didn't do anything. I edited the first part of this video. I did. We're back! Time to
We've
eat!
been busy while this cooked our supper for us.
Yeah. But we could have went shopping. We could have took a nap. Right? Could have mowed the lawn if it was springtime. But it wasn't.
Are you trying the stuffed shell now? Nice and creamy inside. Cheesy on top. It wouldn't be any better if cooked it in the oven or anything else. It's really good. Very nice.
This is convenience and fun.
And fun, yeah.
Mushroom soup broccoli. Ooh-wee.
Perfect.
Thanks for stopping and learning about this. It's amazing. We love it a lot. I guess I'll turn it off now. We're not going to put anything else in there, are we?
No, but we're not leaving till we try the gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Nice and warm and moist.
It tastes like it was just made.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be a good idea to put a bunch of rolls in there and keep them warm, or bagels or something?
Sure. Thanks for joining us to watch our demo.
Yeah. Check the link out. Check Kathy's channel out. Come back Friday and eat with us. Or eat with us yesterday.
Yeah.
Watch the rerun. Wait, 2 days ago, right?
Yeah,
All right.
well, be creative and think what it would be like just to even have a mini and do some of these things ahead of time.
And check my HOTLOGIC playlist. 79 videos now with this one.
Oh, yeah. It's
Talk to you
growing.
later. Take care. Bye. Thanks
Bye.
for watching. We're going to eat it all now, aren't we? I'm going to make a pig of myself.